Ever wondered how to make your own stakes for tomato plants? Imagine the satisfaction of using stakes that you've crafted yourself, customized to support your tomato plants as they reach for the sun. First, gather the materials you'll need. GI metal wire that's sturdy yet flexible, strong string like garden twine, a wire cutter, and a pair of pliers. The first step is to cut the metal wire. Aim for stakes that are between 5 and 6 feet tall, keeping in mind that you'll be pushing a portion, about a foot, into the ground for stability. Next, shape the wire. The pliers will come in handy here. Bend one end of each wire into a hook or loop. This won't just protect your precious plants from damage, it'll also give you an anchor point for the string. Once the stakes are ready, position them. Push the straight end of each wire stake into the ground next to your tomato plants. The hook or loop should be just above the height of the plant. Now, it's time to tie the plants. As they grow, use the string to gently secure them to the stakes. Remember, not too tight. The plants need some wiggle room, but also not too loose. They need support. And always be cautious not to constrict the stem or branches. As your tomato plants reach for the sky, keep adding more string at different heights. Regularly check that the string isn't cutting into the stems and adjust if necessary. If your plants become heavy with fruit, you might need to add cross braces between stakes for added support. Simply cut additional lengths of GI wire, bend both ends into hooks, and connect one stake to another, like a horizontal bridge. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers. Facebook, business email and inquiries, magnoliamoon67@gmail.com.